Hello. Have a leak in my roof. I have a plaster ceiling, plaster and lath. I'm gonna cut that chunk out so I can put new drywall up on it. First thing I did is kind of marked out what I'm gonna do. I'll put some tape over it to help uh, with the extra cutting off so it doesn't like shatter everything around it and drop my whole ceiling on me. And I'll cut that out and I'll put in some 3/8 drywall, mud it up, and it'll be great. All right, so not a professional, just doing what I can. All right, you can probably tell that got some relief cuts here so I can pull it down in smaller chunks. I'll just continue to do that. Flathead screwdriver, my friend. And so on and so on. I probably didn't need to go out as far as I did, but I want to make sure it all dries out. It'll be several weeks, and I gotta get the roof fixed, and several weeks before I actually finish this up, because I want to make sure it all dries completely before I seal it back in. I don't even know if I'm on the camera right now. And there's the finished hole. It's about 36 inches by 48 inches. So that's 3 by 4. All right, now we're gonna put the drywall up there to cover it. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mark on either side of the hole where the joists are. That way, it's easier to line up my screws with it once I cover them. So first things first. Put a little mark where the center of the joist is. Do it on either side. Right up there. Right there. All right. Now, it helps if I have my driver with me. Using the 3/8 drywall, cut the fit. Make sure we're in the middle of our hole where we want it. Let's throw a screw in there. Shifts quick. Let's go right here. Now during there I can probably let go. And I'll work my way around the edge. And then one in the middle. And it'll be ready for the button. Remember, you just want to dimple the paper. You don't want to break the paper. All right, go ahead and pause it. Are we on? Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, clearly I put in more screws than I anticipated. When you get it up in there, since it's old, 100-year-old plaster, the ceiling ain't 100% straight and flat. And there's some bits of the mortar that's chinking in between the slats. Got some stress points on it. I can still hear it kind of crackling. So I put some extra screws around to make sure that it's good and secure and doesn't have any stress on it. Next step will be the mudding. I'll mud, of course, the screws, and then I'll throw a bit of mud in the tape, and then I'll feather out that tape, good 4 inches or so on either side, 3 or 4 inches on either side. Let that dry, knock off the high spots, do a light sanding, and then I'll use the wider 12-inch blade and feather out the rest of the ceiling. So that's it for now. Come back later.